So it's Patrick's Day. I'm hardly going to be in the studio. I should be having my breakfast pints here, and what I'm going to do is tell you how to ride drunk. Well, I'm going to show you what to not do when you're drunk riding. Cheers. So we're going to kick it off by making sure you can get up the mountain on your chairlift and on a T-bar, unlike these two that really couldn't manage it at all. But if you manage to clean out a skier while you're doing it, that's sound. So when you actually manage to get on the chairlift, I've got one piece of advice. Try and stay on it, unlike this dude.
Do this now.
So finally, you've managed to get on the chair, you've managed to get to the chair, you've managed to get off the chair. Just make sure you strap in, because if you don't, well, your board's gonna get away. Like this poor fella. At what point did he forget to actually strap in? But here's another thing, no matter how big of a kicker or how small of a kicker, don't forget to use a bit of pop. And another thing, rolling down the windows when you're going over a kicker doesn't make it go further. And worst of all, and something to forget, we'll never forget really, the alcohol will kill the pain when you stack it super hard. And here's another thing, when you get off the mountain, don't expect your après ski to be anything like the beginning of the Beyond medals, because that's pretty good. And they're hot, because you're going to end up with a chick looking like this. Before I go, have a great St. Patrick's Day. Well, from the only Irish man in snowboarding, have a great St. Patrick. Well, Peachy, but he was kind of Swiss. He never got to go to the Olympics either. Unlike Seamus. Yeah, have a great day, lads.